啊！你未就不我
have the fucking election. I'm warning you here and now. Making anyone other than me the chairman will be disastrous for Sun On-Yee.
You are an officer of the law, Wei, same as me.
Wait, if you have a problem with me, then let's sort it out ourselves, okay? We don't need to bring her into this.
That's the attitude that makes us strong. Loyalty, discretion, used to be more common.
I'm here for Mr. Lee. I take it you've heard of Big Smile Lee.
That's what worries me, Wei. You're one of them. Where you cross paths, he's cut you off.
Anything happens to me, you look after our people, okay?
Man, it was Big Smile Lee, man. This guy's fucking grabbed me in the fucking bureau. Toss me off to 18K, man.
You show your true colors tonight, brother.
Oh God! I'm sorry, please! Please, no!
You must stop this fight at once. We must be united against our true enemies.
No matter what happens, Jackie, I won't leave you behind. I'll always come back for you.
You're my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know?
Your friend Jackie didn't think so. He was most loyal.
I know you have a personal stake here, but this cannot be a vendetta. We're cops.
All right, who's first?
Who are you? Oh shit, that's Ray. You're not supposed to be here, home guy. I'm not scared of you. 縮㗎，睇住。
你想殺我啊？嚇 ！Don't be stupid！
I'm gonna kill you. Anyone who stands with Big Smile Lee. I'm gonna kill you. Anyone who stands with Big Smile Lee.
爆光，收冇運行啊！打電話啦，唔係等陣冇手撳啊！見到我，影得俾你哋死點救你啊！呢條柒撚冇冇，好啊你！夠膽嘢，先救啊！死佢
I'm gonna kill you. Anyone who stands with Big Smile Lee.
過嚟啊！打到佢撚咗仆街！你老母啊！你想我啊！我呢鋪食撚入你㗎！捉佢啊！好撚雞啊！我呢鋪食撚入你啊！夠薑你又開口，打到你撚咗仆街！
kill you!
Surprise!
Shit!
Time to die, Lee.
Fuck you!
Yo, fuck, Wei! 屌你老母！You pussy!
You're done!
Piece of fucking shit. Fuck! How does it feel, pig? To know that your boss sold you out? And you fucked your way almost as bad as you fucked Jackie. You were supposed to die with Winston. Dog Eyes blew that. And that poke guy Tong, fucking worthless 撚樣. But that's okay. Because I am gonna enjoy killing you myself.
Fuck you.
開拖啊！
You want more? Is that all you got? Come on!
你死梗啦！
How'd that feel?
開拖啊！屌！
You want more?
梗啊！
Is that all you got?
屌！
Come on! You want more?
你死梗啊！ 開拖啊！
You want more?
Raymond.
Hey, easy there, Wei. This man is in my custody.
Yes, sir.
You okay?
Yeah. Where's Pendrew?
He's up for promotion. Interpol. He's done with us.
He's dirty, Raymond. He outed me to Big Smile Lee.
Take it from me, Wei. Whatever you heard, it won't matter. The only voice they hear is Pendrew's. You did what you came here to do, all right? Let's get you cleaned up.
Jay? What the fuck? Uncle Po? Pendrew? What the hell?
Superintendent Pendrew, I'm surprised to see you. You're the one who chased my boys away?
Po, you know why I'm here.
I can imagine all sorts of reasons. I'm sure you will tell me.
I'm moving on to greener pastures, but not without taking care of some unfinished business with you and Sonny first.
We had a deal, did we not, Pendrew? I gave you the 3 Tigers. It made your career.
And I let you and Sonny continue operating.
A sacrifice you were willing to make.
At the time. I'm putting Sonny away, and with you gone, I'll finish this once and for all.
The only difference between you and me is... I know what I am.
Jesus Christ. Pendrew, I've got you, you son of a bitch.
What would you like me to say? Whatever I did, I made Hong Kong a better place. I served the greater good. But you let them get to you. You abandoned your duty, officer, and became one of them. You deserve to be handed over to Big Smile Lee.
Did I? Well, Pendrew, I guess everyone gets what he deserves. Including you. You ready for life in prison?
What?
Because all your old buddies are gonna be waiting for you. I made sure they found out what you did to Uncle Po.
That's a fucking death sentence.
I know.
Where you can't. I won't last a day in there.
That's the plan. Inspector,
Officer?
I just wanted to say thanks
For what? It's me who should
for
be...
helping me close cases, do something I could feel good about. Hell, for helping me stay sane.
My pleasure. So, what are you gonna do now?
I don't know. Job's over, but I don't really have anywhere else to go. Strange to say it after all that's happened, but Hong Kong kind of feels like home.
Yeah. But which Hong Kong, officer?
What about Wei Shen?
He proved himself to be loyal to me, one way or the other. And isn't that what really matters? Leave him be.
Yes, Aunt Jane. Drive.